All right, everybody. So the price action has gone back to normal, and today's price action is so nice, like it's so easy to trade. And I took this silver bullet trade, and in this lecture, I'm going to explain how or why I took this trade. So I took this on Euro USD. You can see this was the 3 to 4 a.m. window. This is our 3 a.m. and this is the 4 a.m. So, as you know, in silver bullet we trade between 3 to 4 and 10 to 11 am. And I took this trade and I'm going to show you why I took it. You can see there was a fair value gap on the 5 minutes. Okay. So once the price came down, I marked this level. Then if you have watched my lectures, I told you that the next step for me is the SMT divergence. I look for the divergences in correlated pairs. So you can see the price here took this high. Okay, it swept the highs, the buy side liquidity, and the correlated pair is GBP. So here you can see that the buy side liquidity wasn't swept, so there was a clear SMT divergence and then there was a fair value gap. So what I did was I placed my orders around here and my stop loss was above here. So it came down. Now the next question is how I closed this trade, like why I closed it here. So you can see it was a good trade, around 15 or 20 pips. I haven't counted, but I will show you how I closed it. Again, if you see, it took this sell side liquidity, and here you can see that there was again SMT divergence. See, it didn't sweep these lows, and in GBP, you can see the lows were swept. Okay, so again there was a clear SMT divergence and the sell side liquidity was taken, and then we had an order block. So I will again long here. If the price comes down here, I will enter into my longs. It will be, I am already into my longs from the bottom, but this will be my addition to my longs. Okay, I will put my stop loss around here. Okay, so let's see how it goes, and that's how I took my today's silver bullet trade. I hope it makes sense. Thank you guys.